In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to download and install WPS Office on your laptop for free using Windows 11. This process is very simple and only takes a few minutes, so just follow along. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and in the search bar type WPS Office and press enter. From the results, make sure you click on the official website, which is wps.com. Once the site opens, you'll immediately see a button that says free download. Go ahead and click on that. Next, choose a location on your desktop where you want to save the installation file. Once the file finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder by clicking on the small folder icon, and then double-click on the installer file. At this point, you'll see the setup window appear. To continue, check the box that says I have read the agreement and then click Install Now. The software will begin installing on your laptop. This process may take few minutes, so just be patient and let it finish. Once the installation is complete, WPS Office will be ready on your laptop. To access it, go to the Start menu, click on All Apps, and then scroll down until you find the WPS Office folder. Expand the folder, and you'll see the WPS Office application. Click on it to launch the program. When WPS Office opens for the first time, you may see a welcome window. Simply close it and maximize the screen. From here, you can either click through the next buttons to quickly finish the setup or go to the Home tab and select New. Under this, you'll see options like WPS Writer, Presentation, Spreadsheets, and PDF. You can choose any of these or click on a blank document to start working right away. And that's it. You now know how to successfully download, install, and open WPS Office on your Windows 11 laptop. Thank you for watching this video.